The 14th Legislative Assembly election was held on 13 April 2011 to elect members from 234 constituencies in the India state of Tamil Nadu. Results were released on 13 May 2011. Two major parties, Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam and All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, faced the election as coalitions of multiple political parties. DMK front consisted of 8 parties and the AIADMK of 11 parties. Vijayakanth's Desiya Murpokku Dravida Kazhagam, which had contested the previous elections independently, allied with the AIADMK coalition. Marumalarchi Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam boycotted the election following a disagreement with Jayalalithaa over seat sharing. Tamil film actor Vijay was openly involved in Tamil Nadu politics for the first time by extending his support for AIADMK. The outgoing Karunanidhi government was noted for the construction of new assembly building in Chennai, execution of various developmental projects, and implementation of new entitlement programs including free healthcare for the poor and issuance of a range of freebies such as color television to all. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.